Hey, it's Todd Ault, and welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is active market. Now, active market is exactly what it sounds like, but I'm going to talk specifically about active market of stocks, and that is when a stock has a relative value and it trades a certain amount of volume each day, it may have an average daily volume of, say, 100,000 shares, and that may not be enough liquidity for institutions to enter and exit that stock. Active markets refer to stocks that have active liquidity. Maybe there's an event going on, maybe they're in a hot sector like Tesla, EV market, etc. And the stock is relatively liquid, active. Brokers are making a lot of money trading it. There's a lot of information flow. Active markets are relative to passive when you see some stocks that barely trade and other stocks that trade a lot. Now, there could be sectors that are very active. Those are sectors that are in favor, people wanting to invest in a particular area. In the 70s, it was the Nifty 50. In the 90s, it was the internet stocks. And right now, it's EV stocks, electric vehicle stocks. Active markets can be pretty much easily identified by volume, the amount of trading taking place, and the amount of conversations taking place in the social market and the media about those particular stocks. Today's word is active market.
Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Please subscribe and hit that bell below. If you think this video adds value, please share it with somebody. By the way, if you want to watch more Wall Street Words videos, there's 2 videos right here you can watch right now. There's new videos every day. Thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Always great things happening here.